Okay guys, LeadBlasta, have a look inside the dashboard here. You can see some stats. These are incredible stats when you think about it, because you can see we have sent 85,000 push notifications. Okay, and that's just a handful of push notifications being sent out. I don't use it every day or even every week. Some months I don't even use it, but we have so many people that have installed these apps that I'm able to send push notifications to all of them within my account. Okay, you can see how many notification clicks there has been. It's not a huge amount, but still we're getting an extra 1,000 clicks from just a handful of push notifications. You can see here I've got 15,000 email subscribers. Now the thing is with this, that when somebody installs a Chrome extension, then they are added into our push notification system. Okay, there are often the same people who will install the same Chrome extension on multiple computers, so they do not count as extra email subscribers for every install they do. Okay, only the email subscribers is the number of unique people who are subscribing. Okay, so we've got 15,000 subscribers, mainly coming from one Chrome extension. You only need one funnel that's working here to make a difference, and then you can scale it up. What happened recently was that my Chrome extension, the most successful Chrome extension, was taken down. Why was it taken down? Because they asked for some things, they asked for some changes in the coding and stuff like that. I didn't see it because I'm not monitoring that particular Gmail account. Okay, and they sent 3 different warnings, and because I didn't respond, they took it down. So I had to rebuild the app, which in turn led to some really in-depth sort of study of YouTube SEO, going through the same process as what I did the first time with that Chrome extension, and doing some up-to-date YouTube SEO methods and putting them into the checklist as well. So we have a brand new checklist. So you can see here the daily subscribers. It was okay, it was kind of reasonable, it was kind of just steady, like 40 to 50 per day. Okay, and then it went down, it dropped like 4, 0, 9, etc, etc. And then I put the new Chrome extension back up, and here we go again. We've got 80 per day, 57, 89, etc, etc. We've got quite a few here, around about 89, 90. And you can see it's starting to pick up again. So the YouTube SEO Chrome extension is working again, it's pulling people in. And these are new subscribers. It doesn't count the subscribers who were there before on the email list. So these are new subscribers, and so it's working again. So that's basically the beauty of LeadBlasta. Now you can get LeadBlasta for free if you want to get it for free. But before I show you how to get it for free, let me show you one in action. I'll just come over here into my Chrome browser here, and you can see when I click on the Chrome extension, it's going to expand, and you can see that we can embed videos in here as well. We can put some call to action at the top. We can get notifications from the system at the top as well. And when we scroll down here, you can see this is where we create our checklist. These checklists are hugely popular because they're interactive tools. The difference of giving somebody something like this, instead of just a PDF. I mean, we've all done it. We've all gone over into somebody's website and we thought this is interesting content, and you see a pop-up or an opt-in form. It says, I'll give you a checklist, for example. You give them the email, you're given a checklist like a PDF or a Google Doc, and you forget all about it. Well, this you don't forget about. And this will actually score your optimization as well. So as you're going through here, you can score the optimization. Okay, and they've even got a progress bar in here as well. Now we can put in our own banners as well. These are pre-made banners. You can just put in any color in the background, any text. It's quite simple, but it's more than effective for what we want to do. Okay, so we can get some clicks into these banner ads as well. And we've got multiple call to actions that we can put in here as well. And also, even within these bullet points for the checklist items that we've got here, you can see that we can put hyperlinks even in the bullet points. And also these little eye icons, these are all links. Okay, so you can get them multiple places where you can put call to actions. This is quite important. So you can use this for training, You can use this if you're doing courses to give away for people. You can use this for sharing content on YouTube and giving them a content upgrade, okay, from your checklist. That can get people moving from YouTube to your email list quite easily, quite quickly. But you have to call out your call to action. You have to speak your call to action and tell people, as well as put it in description, YouTube cards or anywhere else. So this is LeadBlasta, and you can get a hold of this absolutely free with the traffic sculpting course. Okay, I'm giving free softwares with the traffic sculpting course. Traffic sculpting course is not free. It's $997, but for that $997 you get 3 software tools, full version. You get full version of LeadBlasta, 50 apps for Chrome extensions and Android apps. You can get a lot of traffic as well from Android. And from TubeKit Alpha, you can get the full version of TubeKit Alpha and all the optimization tools in there for optimizing your videos. And also you get the Adblasta software suite that has got all of the softwares in the Adblasta suite for YouTube ads, for YouTube targeting via the tag grabber, via the placements tool. We're also building 2 more tools for that right now. We're building one for doing in-stream ads that we can use for high volume video views, that we can use just for the purpose of building a retargeting list that we're going to use for our penny per click D-Day ads. Okay, D-Day ads, basically they're discovery ads, and they are running on YouTube at a cost of 1 penny per click, 1 penny per view, 1 penny per video view. Okay, that is really good for targeted traffic, because that is very, very targeted traffic with discovery ads, but we can make it even better if we're using retargeting. Retargeting being anybody who has watched a video in the past 30, 60 or 90 days. So that's basically what we're doing here. So there's Adblasta, the full version. You will get all the new tools that we're building for Adblasta for this system, for the traffic sculpting system. I'm probably going to do a Gmail ads version as well. I've already written out the recipe for that. I'm waiting for my coder to finish what he's doing now. I will ask him to do that as well. I'll probably bundle that in as well. So we got the Gmail ads version of that as well. So that will give us some extra targeting as well, because we will be doing placements via the channels as well. Right now it's just doing placements via videos. We can go and literally get thousands of video placements, and if you compare that to other tools, there's some good tools out there, original tools long before we built ours. But I always felt that the problem with those placement targeting tools was they would give you 200 or 300 videos, and everybody else was competing for the same videos, because people would typically type in something like how to lose weight fast, and then they would get 200 videos that you should advertise on, when everybody else is advertising on those 200 videos. Well, we went further. We found a way that we could get like thousands and thousands and thousands of videos, so that even if those ones were really competitive and we had set our budget to be like 2 cents per click, then we would skip past those ones that everybody else is competing for at 5 or 6 cents per click, and we would just have such a large inventory that we would get our penny per click YouTube views. Okay, so that would give us a massive advantage. So now what we're doing is we're building the same for channels as well, and again we will do that in bulk as well. Okay, so that is an extra tool that's going to be in there. The Gmail ads tool, we will build in there the Gmail PPC recipe, and also the YouTube in-stream ads recipe that will be in there as well. I'm probably going to do more, but we will see how it goes as we go forward. That's what we've got planned right now. There's 2 being worked on. I'll ask him to do the Gmail one once we have done that as well. So if you want to get a hold of this, this is the last day. This is your last chance to get into the traffic sculpting. The next time I open up traffic sculpting, it's going to be at $2,000 minimum. It might even be more when we do the webinar circuit, and we've got a bunch of affiliates already lined up, interested to promote that product with those lifetime access to those tools, and in particular the training that shows people how we can use a reverse YouTube and Google algorithm hack so that we can drive a whole bunch of traffic by starting with traffic first to trigger the YouTube algorithms. And how it works is we use YouTube ads to trigger the algorithm, which will get us rankings on Google. The free traffic that we get from Google will trigger the algorithm in YouTube. Okay, that's basically how it works. It's not the only algorithm hack that's working within there. We've got some algorithm hacks as well for suggested video optimization, and also for YouTube search as well. It's not the only one, but that's the one that I'm showing people as a sort of pre-launch lead into the actual program itself. So if you're interested, you need to apply today. Today is the last day, and we will get back to you today or tomorrow. So if you want to get in, this is how you can do it, and plus you will get these great tools, these fantastic tools that can drive a lot of traffic, that can build your email list in autopilot. You can redirect people anywhere after they've opted in here from your autoresponder and from LeadBlasta as well. So you can do some split testing. Split testing, have you ever seen a funnel that split tests immediately when when somebody opts in? You're actually split testing at that point. You can send people to an affiliate offer or 2 affiliate offers and see which one converts best at the same time. Very, very cool stuff. This is powerful, powerful stuff, guys. Build your email list. Always be building an email list and know how to get traffic. Well, traffic is easy. We can switch it on anytime we want. What we need is a step-by-step system so that we're not paying for traffic all the time, and that the traffic we are paying for is multiplying. It's actually building our email list. It's building our audience so that we don't have to keep paying for the same traffic again and again and again. And we can do that by triggering these algorithms, by using YouTube's own traffic to be able to do it. Thanks for watching.